Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys you are doing great. All right, it has been a while, guys. It has been a while. I didn't made even any apology even in my group because guys, you know this is nature and this is life. All right, I had a very hard time from last month. I think last month 28th July. All right, I had a very hard time because I had my brother was sick for almost 1 month plus in a hospital, but I thank God from last week he is now good. We thank God for that. So that's why in our group there is no any update, there is no any video. That does not mean something went wrong. The only thing we can say it was wrong, it is because of the incident that happened to me, and that's why even today, let me show you something here. Let me go here to history. We can check even last month, all right? You can see from date 24th, 24th here, 22, 24th to 28. That was my end. My end of trading, it was just that 1 week of 28th, all right? Let's check here. You can see it very clear, 21st, 22nd, 24th, 25th and 28th. That is 1 week of trading. From 28th, there is no any other history to date because I stopped everything because no one to monitor to check one ABCD. Even if it is a EA, guys, when you are in stress, there is nothing you can do. So I stopped trading, but today now we are on, or we kicked off today. So I apologize, accepting my apology for that, and let's learn what to do today. All right, so in today's video we want to learn about how you can trade step index professionally. This is happened in DERIV platform, and I just want to show you the setup and how you can be more profitable when using the when you want to trade step index. I think this time around we are going to learn a lot in everything and how to set up in everything because things are very different. For example, this is a standard account. The standard account, it's not same as a zero account. It's not same as people like to trade maybe swap free ABCD. But I will advise to trade the standard account. It's not that bad. But do you have a capability of trading that? Yes, because since you have a TFX, RENKO sniper, or TFX SMC sniper, trust me, you can trade and be a profitable a trader. So there's something that I'm going to show you today. I just want you to check it or to follow it closely because it can help you. Trust me, guys, it is not a must for you to trade everything in the platform, but trust me, by understanding what you want to trade, you'll be a very profitable trader. And I don't have to hide anything. I will be taking you through each and everything. So when we are learning in this video, we are not talking about only a trading step index. I want you to learn how you can set up your own template with whatever you want to trade with any broker, any platform. So remember, our system is not regulated. Our system is let's make trade free because you can use it trading with any broker you wish to. So it's accepted to all brokers. So what we are going to learn in this video, it's very important to follow it step by step because it can help you a lot to set up whatever you want to trade, whether it is gold, whether it is other stuff, anything you want to trade. It is good to follow this setup that we are going to learn today because it is not that hard. And I always say, if you see it like it's hard, just tell me you want to trade the step index, and I can show you or I can share with you template. But it is very important for you to learn how to do it by yourself because you can continue testing a lot of things because our system, you can trade anything provided in MT5. And don't forget, you get it with a monthly subscription, a very affordable price, just 150. You subscribe it for a monthly and you will have to make a good profit. So without wasting time, guys, let's go into it. Now, this is step index. And when purchasing the system, I just want you to know there is only a few things that you really need to understand. All right. Those few things that you really need to understand in order to change them. I always tell you it's all about checking your spread. All right. Let me right click here and go here to column. And you can see here we have a spread. If I click it like that one, you won't see any of the spread here. And sometimes people don't understand where to set or how to set the spread because it is very, very important. So again, if I right click, you go to column and you'll get this spread, just click spread and it will bring it here. Now, in DERIV platform, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 step index. But if you check this step index, you'll find that 1, 2, 3 step index, the spread goes into 9 points, 4 points to 9 points. So this tells us we can set our spread of 10 because we have to set more than 9, right? So we can set even 15 and below. And the reason as to why we must set the spread, it is because many of the brokers, I'm not specifying who and who, but almost all of them, so when there is maybe occasions, let's say, for example, there is a holiday, there is no much activities in the market, all you'll find in your terminal, you'll find that they have increased the spread. So it will be very hard for you, even if you are following your strategy correctly, it will be very hard for you to make money. And most likely, you'll find that they will hit even your stop loss ABCD. So it's very, very risky to trade market when there is holidays or whatever things can happen in the market. Sometimes we have a red news when it's about to happen or to kick off. You will find that they will the spread will be so huge, all right? So they will expand or increase the spread. And that is very, 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 very risky to every trader. So this is why in with our system, you control the spread so that when that time comes, it cannot pick the trade. It cannot take any position when it has gone beyond your maximum. When it has gone beyond the maximum spread, it cannot pick trade. So it's good to understand why you are setting spread. So for example, for this step 1, 2, 3, it seems that here we can set a spread of 10. Yeah, 10. And the next two step index here, step 400 and step index 500, you'll find that it's all about the spread is 12 to 15, all right? Sorry for that. 12 to 15. So if it is 12 to 15, we can only maximize it by setting like 17 points of the spread. So this means when trading the step index, you can have like 2 templates of step index. And trust me, with only step index, guys, you can still make a good money. So I'm taking you through this because it is not advisable to work with everything like by default, because they are not the same. You have been seeing this in the platform. They are not the same. And we are going to learn a lot of things, even how you can trade only maybe one index. But since the system analyzes all, or it can trade anything provided in that platform, that's why it is good to have the template of everything you want to trade. Thank God if it is you're trading, let's say, for example, the currency pairs, they are all like the same. So the currencies pairs, you cannot trade, you cannot set every template for every currency. So that is the good thing, or that is how simple it is. But when we come to step index, we have volatilities, we have ABCD, we have boom and crash. Things are different. And this is why you really need to follow this video in order to understand on how to set them. All right. So let us create 2 templates that can trade this step index and how simple it is. Remember, you get by default these 2 templates for RENKO, all right? So all you need to do, you just follow the way we used to trade because it's very simple. You just pick these RENKO sniper here, a RENKO file, all right? With only one click so that it can create the RENKO chart. Then make sure you pause every time you want to do changes on your EA. Always remember to pause. Second thing, go here to this corner here and double click to that EA so that we can set the spread. And now the first template, we want to set the spread of these 2 this 1, 2, 3, that we are going to maximize it into 12, right? So if you scroll down here, you'll find that we have a spread here. So here we can set 12 points. So this means we can set even 11, right? So we don't have to make it so big. So if it is 9, let's set like 10 to 11. 11, I think it's good. So this means in any case, if this broker will go beyond to 11 points of spread, the EA, it won't pick any trade. All right. So here we can set 11. All right. Nothing else. Because if you have set already the balance, your balance here, because it is very, very important, start balance. Let's say, for example, you have $1,000, you can set $1,000. All right. So this one, it can come even by default. So this one, you don't have to worry because I set this by default, but according to your balance, because I think I've been sharing about that. All right. So let's create this template without wasting time. All right. So now here we can set 11. All right. By doing that, automatically, we can click OK, or right. Then right click here, go to here, indicators, and delete this supreme first. All right. So from there, all right, go and save this template. So here in this template, we can set save, right? Save template, and we can rename it. We can say this is step index 1. So you can rename it according to the name that you will remember. To me, I can rename that step index 1 so that I can remember it is for this 1, 2, 3 with a low spread. All right. Then the second thing, I can highlight. Make sure you highlight and you copy. All right. So you highlight and copy that the name of the template that you rename. Then you click OK. The second thing, you go here to our RENKO file here, because we want to have the same setups and the same RENKO file. So here, we can double click here. Here we have trade template name, all right? We have trade template name. You can double click here, or you can highlight this name and delete it and paste the name, exactly the name that you copied. You can copy paste, or you can rename the exact template we saved for the RENKO. All right, RENKO charts. So from there, you can click OK. It is simple as that. Now, here again, remember, we can save this RENKO file. All right, so we can rename it RENKO step 1 index. All right, then we can say RENKO file. That's what I want you to get, because this is the file that you'll be using when trading these 3 of them. Then again, we can write, we can set OK. Then from there, let's go back here. Now we can delete this one, and we can bring this 1, 2, right? 300, 200, or is 200, delete this, and this one. Right. So we have them 3. So if now we go back here to our template, we are going to select the only RENKO file that we saved. All right. So here we can click OK. All right. Here again, we can click this one. I want to show you how simple it is. In fact, we are done already with the first template. So that's how simple it is. So if we go back here now to our EA to check, you'll find that the spread is still 12 now. 11, yeah. The max spread, it's very, very important. So now let's go back and now set the spread of the 2, this one, all right, and this one. So all you need, you go back to any of the template of the RENKO file. You can pick this, or you can pick this, because all we need now, it is to set the spread of 17, all right? Right, so any of the RENKO file can work, right? So we can pick that, because all we need to change now, it is this the max spread. And this one we say we can set 17, all right? So we can go here back and set 17, all right? We can set here 17 and click OK. Simple as that. After doing that, you can right click, go to indicator, you delete the supreme, something like that. And again, now we save the template. So, sorry. So now here, sorry, go back, delete this one. Let me confirm it again. It must be 17 spread maximum. That is okay. Then again, we can go here back and save the template. And this one, we can rename it step index 2. Then again, you highlight the step index 2 and copy, all right, to make sure every details will be correct. Then again, we save that template. Then from there, we can go back to our RENKO file. We can double click here again to this RENKO file and change this one into step indexed 2. Then again, we can click OK. Then from there, we can save this template, all right, as a RENKO file too, all right? So this is step index 2 RENKO file. So again, we can click OK. So you can see now we have them on board. So if I go back here and select this RENKO file 2 here, it means that it will come with this max spread of 17 because this is the file that we have selected. So if I click OK, this is step 500. Let's wait for step 500. There we go. Then if we double click there to check our spread, you'll get that now it's 17. This is the best thing you need to understand to follow those steps because you don't do a lot of work. If you have you can follow the exactly what I have done, it will be easier for you to set it once and for all. So if now we want to trade all these, let me delete them all. We have already done the work. So I can come here and pick all this now step index. All you need to remember, it is the template according to this template that maybe you have renamed according to the name that you remember. For now, we have set 1, 2, 3 with step index 1. So it will be easier for you to go to RENKO file, only RENKO file. So now we are not going to take RENKO step 1 now. The only file template that we need, it is RENKO file 1. So here we can set RENKO file 1. We go back here, we set RENKO file 1. We go back here to 300. Again, that one we use RENKO file 2. All to remember, again, when we reach to this 400 and 500, we have got that 500 and 400. It is the one that we are using RENKO file 2. So we go to RENKO file 2, RENKO file 2, as simple as that. And from there now, you can activate your algo trading. And now we are ready to bank step index. It is simple as that. If you didn't get it, I will still continue sharing the video because so that you can understand it more. So that's how we do to create the template of step index. And trust me, from there, you'll be a very, very profitable. And you don't have to worry now whether there is holiday, whether there is a manipulation of the spread. No matter the manipulation can be there in the market, the system now will deal with it. Because for others, manipulation, it is by default. It's already setted. The only thing you need to do by yourself, it is to set the spread. It is very, very important to understand that. Then from there, you have the template of step index and you are good to go. So I do believe, guys, you have got, get it right. That's how you do and you trade and make money professionally. So don't forget the system, all our system now, you can have them on a monthly subscription. The copy of this one, we have the manual that generates the signal. So don't forget that. We have the manual that generates the signal after installation. You just wait for the signal to be sent or to be alerted by the system. That's all. So that one goes with only $75 per month. So don't keep yourself trying to analyze market each and every day. It's very, very, very tiresome, guys. It is good to have the system that is based from price action and advanced SMC plus RENKO. The combination of the three, it is the market killer. Thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to TAFX family. Thank you.